Jeff Walker returns. He's back organizing the annual Live Launch Masterclass, the longest running event in the online marketing space. I crossed paths with Jeff in 2015 and published a review at that time of his flagship training program. Ever since, I have participated in hundreds of product launches as an external marketing partner, helping other brands that were applying Jeff's system. Countless of these promotions and campaigns ended up bringing millions of dollars for the brands that organized their product launches with Jeff's method. I used Jeff's system for my own launches and to help other businesses. The system simply works every single time. Don't hesitate, book your seat to the event and you won't regret it. It's the best decision you can make in 2025. So if you have a business or want to start one, attend the Live Launch Masterclass with the top expert in this industry. Have in mind that Jeff's system has generated for the brands that used it over 1 billion in sales. I'm supporting the masterclass with an exclusive bonus. I'm hosting live Q&A sessions daily on Web Market Support with a live chat. So even when I'm not there, you can ask a question, leave your email, and then I will answer to you immediately when I read it. You can ask any question regarding product launches and Jeff's method. I know that you will have questions. It's a 3-day event, and I am here to help you out. I know the system of product launch formula inside out. You can also schedule a one-on-one product launch clinic with me. It's free for all Web Market Support subscribers. Head over to the blog to the Launching Products Like a Pro comprehensive guide and take the next step. I also recommend that you read the guide to learn more about product launches and how I use variations of Jeff's method in my own methodology. Stay tuned to the blog for even more releases and surprises regarding this huge event, and I'll see you there.